How actually people become rich with real estate, and 5 level of real estate investment where every investor has to understand. Whether you are a beginner or planning for your next move, this video is for you, which guide you step by step. Hello everyone from beautiful Alanya. I'm Masiada, your real estate and investment expert with over 10 years of experience. Over the years, I helped clients from all over the world find their dream property in Alanya, selling more than 120 apartments, villa, shop, and offices to happy clients who select Alanya as their second home. Today, I'm excited to discuss with you about how to get rich with real estate and 5 levels of real estate investment. Let's get started. How to get rich with real estate. Real estate creates wealth slowly. Most millionaires didn't get rich overnight. They built wealth step by step. Real estate grows constantly over years, and once the equity components, the wealth accelerates. Unlike crypto or stock, property rarely crashes to zero because it's appreciable asset. Real estate gives you two sources of profit. Investors get rich because real estate pays in two ways: capital appreciation, cash flow. No other investment gives this dual benefit so safely. Real estate protects you against inflation. As inflation goes up, property price and rental are increasing. So your money is rising with inflation instead of losing value. That's why wealthy people store their money in real estate. With real estate, you have full control over asset. With stock or crypto, you pay for the market. With real estate, you make decisions: renovate, rent, resell, refinance. This level of control accelerates your path to wealth. In real estate, timing multiplies your ROI. Real estate works in 4 phases: downward, declining, recovery, boom. Investors become rich by buying property during downward or declining phases and reselling during recovery and boom phases. I'm offering free ebook, comment, guide, and I will send you free Move Smart with real estate and finance your dream. Real estate is a low risk compared to other assets because it's appreciable, always in demand, limited in supply, needed for living, tourism, or business. Even during global financial shift, people still need homes. This is stability what makes real estate a safe path for long-term wealth. 5 level of real estate investment. Level 1. Buy property for basic needs. This is where everyone starts. You purchase an apartment or home for living. It doesn't make you rich, but this is the fundamental of wealth building because you stop paying rent and start building your equity. Level 2. Upgrade your property for better living standard. At this level, you understand lifestyle and values. Better location, better building, better planning. This increases your long-term net worth because of high-quality properties. Depreciate slowly, appreciate fast, and have a better resale value. If you have this all, congrats! Now you are in advanced level 3. Level 3. Invest in second country for retirement or financing your dream. Smart investors choose city with strong tourism, government infrastructure, high resale value, high rental income, affordable entry point, stable long-term growth. This is why foreigners choose Alanya. Affordable price, high tourism demand, easy renting, and strong appreciation. If you invested in second country, bravo, you have reached level 4, which creates real wealth. Level 4 is BRRB, or off-plan investment, which is buy, renovate, resell, and buy again. This level focuses on a strategy of BRRB strategy: buy, renovate, resell, and buy again, or invest in off-plan property with maximum appreciation. Here is why this level accelerates your financial growth. Why level 4 is a wealth multiplier. At this stage, you buy property below market price, add value through renovation or hold off plan, resell at higher price, reinvest the profit into next property. Every cycle increase your capital and boost your investment power. Why Alanya is perfect for level 4? Alanya offer ideal market for BRRB or off-plan strategy. A large number of old building waiting for renovation, high demand for modern and updated homes, fast resale cycle due to strong foreign buyer interest. Tourism appeal attract both short and long-term rental. Investors in Alanya commonly achieve 15 up to 14% of returns within 6 to 18 months of their investment. That's why making a profitable place for investors. After level 4, now you are a pro-level investor, where new opportunities will come in large scale. Level 5, commercial and land development. You invest in land, commercial building, off-plan development, joint partnership with construction company. Profit margin here reach 50 up to 200%, but require market knowledge, strong planning, confidence in location. This is how big developers and wealthy family create generational wealth. If you want to grow step by step from level 1 to level 5, real estate is the most safest and proven path for growing wealth. And here Alanya, all 5 levels are possible, from entry-level apartment to high-return development projects. Thanks so much for watching till end of this video with me. I appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe to channel to get amazing opportunities from Alanya. Call or message to get new offers and free ebook. See you on next video, which we will explore what you can get with €115,000 in Alanya.